Hello guys, welcome back again to my channel. In case you're new here, I'm Anekan and I make lifestyle content, medical content, JAM related content, waec related content. Please, this if you're having JAM, waec, neco examination, this is the channel for you. So guys, I have a JAM playlist on my channel. I've been creating a lot of videos on JAM and I'm here again with a new video. This is a continuation. Please, if you have not watched the first part, I'll advise you to watch that first before watching this so you can understand what is going on here. So guys, onto the video. So another thing I'll advise you to do is try as much as you can to save like 10 minutes or 20 minutes extra, 20 minutes to 10 minutes depending on the kind of reader you are. I'll say 20 minutes, 10 minutes extra. Within that time, you should save that amount of time so that you will be able to go over your work again. Some people don't have time to like go over their work again because they didn't start or early. Actually, jam time is really programmed to you and you specifically. So somebody sitting beside you might run out of time while you still have time. So whenever you start, make sure you use all the time sufficiently or efficiently. So what I'll advise you to do is try to finish the exam in 20 minutes less than the actual time. That will give you extra 20 minutes for you to like go over your work, go over your calculations, go over, because there are some times because of your nerves and because you are really scared and you are not calm, you might end up picking the wrong answer, or you want to pick an option, you end up picking another one. So please, you should have that time for you to like go back, go over your work and try and make those corrections where necessary. Please, you should try as much as you can to have that time. And if you are somebody that did not pick an option, like if you don't know a question and you did not pick an option, you can use that 20 minutes to go and guess. Please, another one thing I'll advise you to do is that you should guess intelligently. So what does that even mean? Like if you're taking a calculative subject like physics, you can use the units to solve that question. Like if you know that the unit is in meter and is in seconds and you were given meter in the question, or you were given centimeter in the question, you know you have to convert centimeter to meter, and you are given seconds in the question, and the unit of the answer is meter per second. That means after converting centimeter to meter, you divide it by second. Like you are using the units to solve even when you don't know the formula. So if you can do that, it would also help you, although it doesn't work in all calculations. It does not work that way in every one of them, but you would have a greater advantage in terms of your guesses than somebody who just randomly picks. So I'll advise you to try to guess intelligently, and even if you don't know, make sure you pick an option. Like I said, don't leave any question unanswered, because you don't know the lucky charm you have. You might actually pick the right one. So guys, next thing I'll advise you to do is to please stay focused. Like focus on your questions, because in my first jam examination, I had somebody that was tapping me like to tell him, I was like, I'm not understanding you. The same exam that we came to write, you are asking me like please try not to get distracted. Try to stay focused, because jam has cameras everywhere. I don't know whether they work, or I don't know. I don't even want to know. All I know is just be careful, because there are cameras around you, and from a control center, they are able to view what is happening in the jam center. So for my first jam, I wrote it in Federal Government College, Kefi. Then my second jam, I wrote it in ICPC. That is Corrupt Practices Commission. Is it international or I've forgotten, ICPC, Corrupt Practice Commission. So there was like cameras around and everything. That one said nobody will tell you that you should not cheat, because everything they are viewing everything from the camera. So please don't try any funny business. Don't allow anybody to distract you, because this exam is really major, very major. So I'll advise you to like stay focused. Focus on your exam. Don't allow anybody to distract. And even if anybody tries to distract you, just pretend like you didn't hear, because even the movement and even the talk itself, it can be quite very suspicious. So I'll advise you to like stay focused on the examination. So guys, I think I have covered it all. Yes, I think I have covered it up. I'm going to also tell you that you should please do the necessary. Like when you go there, sometimes you have to thumbprint in terms of your attendance. Please, if you see them thumbprinting, make sure you thumbprint, ask questions. Like don't go there and just be standing isolated. Like ask questions. Do we need to do that? Do we need to do this? Do we need to do that? Just take all the necessary precautions to avoid your exam result going missing. So please take your thumbprint if that is how they want you to sign the attendance. Do whatever is necessary, sign whatever you have to sign, and please just do whatever you have to do in terms of what everybody is doing. Please guard yourself, guard your space, guard your health, guard your mental health in terms of calming down, in terms of trying to. For me, one other thing that calms my nerve is whenever I look around and I see that I'm not the only one writing the exam. Like it is not only you writing this exam, a lot of people are also feeling the same way. The same energy is being radiated around because all of you are all nervous. So try as much as you can to have that in mind. It's a really major exam, yes, but you're not alone in this. Just try and stay focused, try and beat the time, beat the time instead of being scared. I want you to focus that energy on beating the time and having enough time for you to go over your work, and also try to submit like before it actually submits for you, just in case. It's not really a very big issue in JAM examination, but in my school exam it should be a very big issue. You have to really like submit before it submits for you. Although sometimes it submits for you and you still get your result, but it's just safety precautions. Yes, safety precautions, and to avoid missing results you get. So just do your best. We are rooting here for you. And I left a poll on my channel. I left a um kind of like question tag where I wanted you guys to send in your questions. I'm going to leave it on my community tag. I'll advise you to go to my community tab and answer that, like leave questions, whatever question you have, whatever is bothering you, whatever you need clarification on, you can leave questions on that and I'll try my best to get to it as soon as possible. So thank you so much guys for watching today's video. I remain your boy Anekan. Thank you so much. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, and stay blessed. We are out here, we are rooting for you. You're intelligent enough. Bye guys.